Today we are going to make pixel art using Google Slides. The first thing you need to do is sign into your Google account if you're not already. Click on the waffle and find where it says Sheets. It's a green icon. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you are going to click the plus sign, or also known as blank, and it should open up a new spreadsheet called Untitled Spreadsheet. Write your name and lesson 1. Now let's talk about spreadsheets a little bit, because there's certain words for spreadsheets so that you can understand it better. The items that go up and down are called columns. The items that go side to side are called rows. And each box is called a cell. And each box has a specific name. So this one is called A1 because it's under the A and next to the 1. This cell is called C4 because it's in column C and row 4. And this box is called F8 because it's in column F and in row 8. We're going to make a geometric design, a square with lots of different colors. And we're going to use a function called conditional formatting. It sounds like a hard concept, but it's really easy. So it just means we are making a rule. So we are making a rule in Google Sheets. Have you ever colored a paint by numbers? This is the same idea. Each number is a different color. We're going to do this in our spreadsheet. We are going to click on the square to the left of the A and above the 1. And we're doing this so that we select all of the squares. This will select all of the boxes so that we can resize them to make them into squares. Hover your mouse next to the grid line until you see a black arrow. Drag the arrow to the left to resize the cells. Once all of the cells are resized to squares, click on Format. And then click on Conditional Formatting. A pop-up box will appear to the left. This is where we make our rules for painting by numbers. Make sure that all the cells are selected and you see A1 to Z1000 in the Apply To range. If you don't, you will need to go back and click on that little square to the left of the A and above the 1 to select all of the squares. Scroll through the list to find is equal to. Now we need to assign a number and a color. So we're going to assign a number 1. So it says if the cell is equal to 1, then we are going to assign it the color black. Now you can choose whatever color you like. So if we write 1 in the spreadsheet, the color black will appear. Then click Done. Click anywhere in the sheet to deselect the squares. Write A1 in cell A1 and hit Return. The cell should turn the color you chose. Make a border around your spreadsheet. Now reselect all of the cells. Now add another rule and another color. First of all, make sure that all the cells are selected and you see A1 to Z1000 in the Apply To range. Use another number and color to make a different rule. Write the next number and hit Return. and then make another border with the next color. Make more rules and add more color to your spreadsheet. Have fun with this.